Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to find friends on Facebook by their email. So let's go dive into our Facebook. Open your Facebook. Let me go back, sorry. So when you open your Facebook, this is your Facebook here now, interface here. Now you click on this profile menu button here. You can see here, and you come to the settings button, click on it, and you come to see more on account center, and you come to your information and permission. So this is it. Now access the information. You can see I'll transfer a couple of your information, and we have a search history, and that is it. And so you now click on upload contact. You can see upload contact here, and which provider you want to use. You click on your provider here. Then this is it, upload contact. Is all. You can use this one just once, or you can put all this. Now continuous upload your contact. This is it here now. Turn off. Then you can just turn on back here now for you to, you can see, get started. And these are your Facebook. You can see these are your all, this is all you just this contact, these are your contact on your phone. Now you can see you can just add them here directly, and it is very easy. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.